Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's weekend again. Very hot outside. I'm here in the balcony, but the sun is so hot already. It's only 7 o'clock. The sun is so hot. I just have sunlight for a while, even 5 minutes. You wanna see the sun? That's the sun. So hot, so hot, so hot. The sun is in my back. Very hot. I just have how many sunlight? How many minutes for sunlight? So I start what I'm doing, what I need to do. While combing my hair, I'm here in the balcony. But later I need to go to Madinat side to buy tenderloin beef. I'm gonna cook garlic beef today. The sun is very hot. I cannot go walking tomorrow because the sun is hot. I hope I can wake up 5 so I was able to walk around the palace tomorrow. If I am lazy to get up early, I cannot be able to go walking.